Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. If you are planning to study abroad, especially in a country that offers world-class education, globally recognized degrees, high-quality living, and extremely affordable tuition fees, then this video is exactly for you. I'm excited to announce that Germany admissions for Intake 2025 are now officially open. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know: requirements, deadlines, documents, benefits, scholarships, visa process, and important tips to increase your chances of admission. So stay with me till the end, because this 20-minute session will guide you step by step through the complete Germany admission journey. Let's begin. Tuition-free or low-cost education. Most public universities charge little or no tuition fees. You mainly pay a semester contribution between 150 to 350 euros. Compared to other countries where fees go up to tens of thousands, Germany is extremely affordable. 3. Strong job opportunities. Germany has one of the strongest economies in Europe. Students can work part-time and later apply for an 18-month post-study visa to find a job. 4. Safe, modern, and student-friendly country. Germany is known for safety, transportation, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant student cities like Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt, and Cologne. 5. PR, permanent residency pathway. After studies and employment, students can move toward permanent settlement. It's a very attractive long-term option. So if you're looking for quality education, job security, and a stable future, Germany is an excellent choice. Part 2, Germany Intake 2025, What You Need to Know. Germany mainly has two major intakes: summer intake, March-April, winter intake, September-October. This announcement is for winter intake 2025, and admissions have started from November 2024 onward, depending on universities. This is the biggest intake, offering the most programs and maximum seats, so applying early gives you a huge advantage. Part 3, Eligibility Criteria. Let's talk about the basic requirements for applying to German universities in 2025. For bachelor programs, 12 years of education, strong academic result. German-taught programs require A1 to B1 German level. English-taught programs require IELTS 5.5 to 6.5, depending on university. For master programs, 16 years of education, bachelor degree, minimum CGPA or percentage based on university, usually 2.5, 4.0 CGPA or above. IELTS 6.0 to 7.0 for English medium programs. For German medium programs, B1 to C1 level German is required. Gap acceptability. Germany accepts study gaps if justified with work experience, skills training, online certifications. Financial proof. For visa, 11,208 euros blocked account, may change slightly, or a sponsor in Germany, dependent on rules. Part 4, Required Documents. Prepare these documents for a smooth application. 1. Academic transcripts, matric, intermediate, bachelor, if applying for master's. 2. Degree certificate. 3. Passport, valid for at least 1 year. 4. CV, Europass format recommended. 5. Statement of purpose, SOP, or motivation letter. 6. Letters of recommendation for master programs. 7. IELTS, or German language certificate. 8. Application form. 9. Passport size photos. 10. Work experience letters, if any. Make sure to scan documents properly. No shadows, no blur. Part 5. Program Options. Germany offers thousands of programs in English and German. Some top fields include engineering, mechanical, electrical, civil, software, business administration, finance and management, computer science and IT, data science, artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, architecture and urban planning, nursing, healthcare, life sciences, media, design and social sciences, environment and sustainability studies. Public universities in Germany provide updated, practical, and industry-focused programs to prepare you for modern careers. Part 6. Application Process, Step by Step. 4 minutes. Let's go through the admission process for 2025. Step 1. Choose your program. Visit portals like DAAD, UniAssist, and university websites. Shortlist programs matching your academic background. Step 2. Check requirements. Every university has specific conditions: CGPA requirement, language requirement, and program prerequisites. Always double-check before applying. Step 3. Prepare documents. Organize all files: PDF format, proper naming, translated documents if needed. Step 4. Apply through UniAssist or direct application. Some universities require UniAssist verification, while others accept direct online submissions. Step 5. Pay application fee if required. Usually 75 to 90 euros for UniAssist, but some universities are free. Step 6. Wait for admission decision. Public universities can take 4 to 8 weeks to reply. Step 7. Receive admission letter. This is your official acceptance. Step 8. Book visa appointment. Apply at your nearest German consulate or embassy. Step 9. Open a blocked account. Transfer required funds, usually around 11,208 euros. Step 10. Visa interview. Submit all documents and attend your interview confidently. Step 11. Fly to Germany. Attend orientation week and begin your studies. Part 7. Visa tips for 2025. 2 minutes. Germany's visa approval depends on genuine intent. Explain clearly why you want to study this program. Strong financial proof. Provide correct statements and blocked account confirmation. Correct documentation. Missing documents cause delays. Double-check everything. Clear communication in interview. Speak confidently and honestly. Part 8. Scholarships in Germany. 1 minute. Germany offers many scholarships. DAAD scholarships, Deutschland Stipendium, 300 euro per month, Erasmus scholarships, university-specific merit awards. Many of these are available for both bachelor and master students. Part 9. Living in Germany. 1 minute. Average monthly expenses. Accommodation, 250 to 400 euros, shared rooms. Food, 150 to 200 euros. Transport, 60 to 80 euros. Insurance, 80 to 120 euros. Students can work 120 full days or 240 half days per year, helping cover living costs. Conclusion. 1 minute. Germany offers excellent education, low fees, and fantastic job opportunities. And now that admissions for Intake 2025 are officially open, this is the perfect time to start preparing. If you want guidance in choosing a program, preparing documents, or writing your SOP, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching this 20-minute session. Best of luck with your Germany study journey. Your future starts now.